What do you think about embroidery on clothes? Would you wear an embroidered hoodie? Or sweater, or t-shirt? Or maybe jeans? Isn't it true that embroidery makes your clothes unique? It's cool because you can embroider anything you want. You can embroider a tiger or a lion, an eagle or a flamingo, flowers or mountains. Anything, you know. I really like to decorate clothes with embroidery, so I made a mini collection of 4 hoodies. Animals, birds and flowers are embroidered on them with threads and beads. They all are unique and sewn in a single copy. By the way, you can buy them in my Etsy store. Link to the store in the comments. Hoodie is a great gift option for yourself or your friend. And you can also join me on Patreon to create such embroidery yourself. Let's create beauty together!